In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Facebook page. By the end, you'll know how to take an event from Facebook and bring it into your Google Calendar so it appears alongside the rest of your schedule. Start by opening Facebook in a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to the account that manages your page. On the left-hand sidebar, expand the menu by clicking See More, then choose Events. This takes you to your Facebook Events Hub. Pick the event you want to bring into Google Calendar. I'll open a sample event so you can follow along. Once the event page loads, look to the right side for the three dots menu. Click that to reveal more options and choose Add to Calendar. When the options appear, select Export. Facebook will generate a calendar file, usually an ICs file, that contains all the event details like title, date, time, and description. Save that file somewhere easy to find on your computer, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. If your browser asks where to save it, confirm the location and name so you can grab it in a moment. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. At the top right, click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings page, look to the left sidebar and click Import and Export. Under the Import section, click Import, then select the file from your computer. Choose the .east file you just downloaded from Facebook. Before you finish, use the calendar drop-down to pick which calendar you want to add the event to, your primary calendar or a specific calendar you use for page activities. This helps keep things organized and makes it easier to share that calendar with teammates later if you need to. When you're ready, click Import. Head back to your main calendar view and navigate to the event date. You should now see the Facebook event listed in Google Calendar with its details. If the time looks off, check your time zone settings in both Facebook and Google Calendar and make sure the event uses the correct time zone. A couple of tips as you use this method. This process brings events over as a one-time import, so if you change details on Facebook later, you'll need to export and import again to update your Google Calendar. If you accidentally import the same file twice, you may see duplicates and can delete the extra entry from Google Calendar. Finally, consider keeping a dedicated calendar for your page events so you can toggle them on and off easily. That's